si Missy sa trabaho. Ayan, sunduin namin. Sama ko si Ana. And ate.
Oh, damn.
Andito na kami sa trabaho ni Mrs. Bali sa bahay, sa ano lang to, mga 15 minutes to walk. Kaya antayin namin siya rito. Bali dito siya nagtatrabaho. Newham University Hospital. Ito is government
That's where Mom's live.
government hospital.
Mom lives there, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, she does.
NHS. Bali si Mrs. is
What's that
healthcare.
light blue thing? What's that light blue thing?
The one?
Yeah, what's that?
I don't know.
Maybe it's garbage in there.
Maganda ito kasi malapit lang rito sa bahay. Noong nagtatrabaho siya sa napakalayo, sasakay pa ng 2 sakayan sa bus. Pero ito isa maganda ito, blessing sa kanya dahil ito yung nahanap niya na trabaho rito malapit sa amin. Oh, yan.
Where's the deer? Where is
Ha?
it? Get out.
Nandiyan na si Mami, oh.
How did she get out? Then how did she get out?
Oh, ate, salubungin mo si Mami. Go, go. Ate. Go. Go.
Then let me get out.
What's happening? Excuse me.
Sorry. Itim na kasabay ni Mrs. na naglalakad. Sabi niya, dito kayo, binibidyo kayo.
How was the walk? It's alright.
Okay. You want to walk?
Yeah,
Ana?
she want to walk. She want to put.
Are you sure, Ada? Hilain mo yan. You want to walk? Okay, let's go na nga raw. Go, go na. Itong halaman na daw. Parang saging. Ruel. Kabilas Ruel. Ha?